Welcome to the Miracles and Science Center for Continuous Personal and Professional Development. Today, the 16th of June. Yet again, we come with another daily life lesson for today. So this daily life lesson tells us that when you breathe, between one breath and another breath, there is always in between a plenty of time.
At the Miracles and Science Transformative Center, we transform your life for the better. Sail above life's problems, in health, in relationships, in finances, in education, and in general well-being. Join any of our life transformative programs by visiting www.transformativecenter.com.
Science tells us that actually it takes about 1 to 2 seconds to breathe in and around the same time to breathe out. And in between breathing out and breathing in again, there is also approximately 1 to 1.5 seconds. And this is a lot of time. So there are two lessons that we draw from that illustration. Number one, it tells us that every second counts. Whatever you do, you should remember that in terms of time, which you calculate in terms of days, years, the time has microseconds, eventually which become seconds, seconds become minutes, minutes become hours, and hours become days, and days become years. So in whatever you do, it is important to keep track even of your seconds. That's why it says that in between one breath and another, there is plenty of time, meaning that seconds count. Because actually, you find that our lifespan is approximately 70 years, and our prayer book in some of the Christian religions tell us that or 80 years for those who are strong. So between 70 and 80, that's our lifespan. But if you have to translate that one into hours, those are actually approximately 700,000 hours. And if you have to translate those in 2 weeks, they are approximately only around 4,000 weeks. So it is important to take care of each and every second that we have. Then the second aspect that this life lesson tells us is that you can be able to watch your breath and be able to reconcile yourself as a result of watching your breathing and out. This is a technique usually used in one of the mindful techniques, which is called the Vipassana. Vipassana is a mindful technique which tries to help you be able to reconcile your four components. You have the physical body, you have the mind, you have the soul, and then you have the spirit. So you can be able to use the technique which you call Vipassana, which basically looks at or focuses your breath, and you pay attention to your breath in and out. And that process, of course, there is a procedure that you'll be able to follow, but practice that kind of mindfulness. Some people may call it a meditation technique, so that you can be able to reconcile your four components into one. And when you do that, actually you live a much better, healthier life when you have the four components of yourself together. So this daily life lesson tells us that by watching your breath in and out and utilizing the time in between is very important for your well-being, as long as you're able to follow it. So this has been our daily life lesson for today.